Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the adhesive. Heat is your friend. Direct a hair dryer at medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, keeping it moving to prevent glass stress. While warm, wipe the area with rubbing alcohol to dissolve oils that lock the sticker down. Use your fingernail or a plastic card to lift a corner gently. Peel at a low angle. You do this because heat weakens the adhesive and alcohol removes residues, making the next steps safer and cleaner. Once you've got a corner lifted, proceed slowly and deliberately. Pull the sticker at about a 45-degree angle in short, steady tugs. This reduces tearing and adhesive smearing. If pieces remain, apply an adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then reattempt lifting. For stubborn residue, scrape with a plastic razor or old credit card, never metal, because plastic removes gunk without scratching. You finish by thoroughly cleaning and inspecting the area. Wipe away solvent with isopropyl alcohol, then follow with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove streaks. Look closely for any fine scratches. If you spot tiny marks, a fine polishing compound applied gently can help. Test off to the side first. If the sticker rips or a gummy film remains, reheat briefly and reapply adhesive remover, then repeat gentle scraping. This final care ensures damage-free results and clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.